Forget the bright orange and candy corn. This Halloween, we're taking our inspiration from the ultimate icon of gloom, Wednesday Addams. We'll show you how to bring a dark, gothic elegance to your home with a few simple tricks. Get ready to transform your space into a spooky and chic masterpiece. We'll be covering everything from your entryway to your living room with ideas that are more elegant than they are scary. From Halloween home decor to incredible Halloween door decorations, let's dive into the gloom. The way you begin shaping your space defines the entire atmosphere of the season. It's the first impression, the mood setter, and the moment where ordinary surroundings transform into something mysterious and unforgettable. Small choices, whether it's in lighting, textures, or placement, can have a powerful effect. By embracing layers, depth, and a touch of the unexpected, you can craft an experience that draws people in from the very beginning. Would you style your space with classic Gothic elegance or add a playful Wednesday twist? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's take that mood inside. The key to elegant Halloween decorations indoor is to choose a subtle color palette and add macabre details that tell a story. Blending nostalgic touches with atmospheric elements helps create a sense of timelessness. Think old world charm, subtle shadows, and a hint of the unexpected. If you love these Wednesday Inspired Halloween decor ideas, don't forget to like this video and share it with friends who adore a dark and gothic vibe. Now for the centerpiece, building an atmosphere that feels moody, refined, and unmistakably gothic. It's all about a dramatic balance of contrasts where elegance meets a touch of mystery. These choices aren't about jump scares or over-the-top effects, they're about ambiance. They create a mood that feels stylish, immersive, and perfectly in tune with the season. For more spooky, stylish, and creative Halloween decorating ideas, make sure to subscribe and join us for even more inspiration. Want more Halloween decor themes? Check out our full playlist linked below. It's filled with hauntingly creative ideas. Whether you're going for classic spooky or modern gothic, decorating for Halloween is a perfect way to show your creativity. We hope these ideas helped you see the holiday in a whole new, elegant light.